Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Made by Yuma. In today's tutorial we are going to see another interesting pattern, which is a leaf pattern. Uh, this is kind of a twisted leaf cord which can be used as a border in any of the wall hangings, etc. So let's see what are the materials we need to make this leaf cord. We need an acrylic yarn and a hook that matches the yarn and scissors. So let's get started. Take the tail end of the yarn and create a slip knot. If you are an absolute beginner, you can try checking my video on crochet basics, where I will explain about making a slip knot, a chain, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet. So here I am placing the tail end of the yarn around my index finger so that the movement of the yarn will be easy as you progress in the pattern. So I am making a slip stitch. So once the slip stitch is done, I'll make 4 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and chain 4. So once 4 chain stitches are done, insert the hook, yarn over and insert the hook into the first chain and create an incomplete double crochet. So yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then create another double crochet, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. So now we have 3 loops here and yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Then create 2 chain stitch here. So after that, so we have 2 incomplete double crochets, right? Insert the crochet hook into the first, you have to insert into the first double crochet, that is the incomplete double crochet. So yeah, yarn over and insert into the first incomplete double crochet, and you have to create 6 incomplete double crochets here. So I'm working on the first double crochet, so you have to just do an incomplete double crochet. So this is the second incomplete double crochet, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops alone. So repeat this for 4 more times. So this is the third incomplete double crochet, and this is going to be the 4th one. Then we have the 5th incomplete double crochet, and then we have the 6th incomplete double crochet. So now we will be having 6 plus the 1 which we had initially, so there will be 7 loops. First yarn over and pull through the first loop alone, the very first loop, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. So repeat this until we are left with 2 loops. So you have to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops till we are left with 2 loops. So now we are left with just 2 loops, right? So pull the crochet hook out of it, out of the loops, and then turn the pattern, then insert the hook into this direction and bring the working yarn and start doing 6 incomplete double crochet into the second incomplete double crochet. I mean, we did 2 incomplete double crochet right in the beginning, so we are done with the first one into the second incomplete double crochet. Now we have to start working. So this is the first incomplete double crochet. So the pattern is going to be repeated. We are working on the other side of the petal, that is the leaf here. third incomplete double crochet, and then this is fourth, and this is the fifth one, then this is going to be the sixth one. So if you see, we have 6 incomplete double crochet loops plus 2 loops which we started in the beginning. So we have 8 loops here. If you start counting, we have 8 loops. So the first 2 loops with which we started. So similarly, we have to yarn over and insert the first loop alone for the first step, and for the next steps we have to yarn over and insert into the first 2 loops. So repeat this process until we are done with 3 loops. So now we have 3 loops here, right? So we have to yarn over and insert all the 3 loops. So this completes the leaf pattern. Then create 2 chain stitch and flip the pattern. So now we have the chain, right, with which we started the pattern the beginning. So we have 4 chain stitches, right? The 4th chain stitch we have to find it. Yeah, so there it is. So with that chain, insert the hook beneath both strands of the chain and create a slip knot here. So this completes one leaf of this cord. See how beautifully it's formed. Now you have to repeat the pattern again. Create chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 2 incomplete double crochet into the previous loop. The loop. This is the 4 chains we created at the beginning, right? So into that 4 chain, create 2 incomplete double crochet. This is the first one, and create another incomplete double crochet. Now we have to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops and create 2 chains, chain 1 and chain 2. So now into the 2 incomplete double crochet we have to make 6 in each of them. That is 6 incomplete double crochet. I am taking the first one and started to create the incomplete double crochet. So this pattern is going to be the same for the next steps as well. So once you are done with 2 to 3 leaves, then you will get the hang of it and you can easily do it. It's going to be very easy once you are done with 2 to 3 leaves. So for the very first loop you have to pull through just the first loop, and for the consecutive steps we have to yarn over and insert into the first 2 loops until we are left with 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops, right? Just pull the thread a little bit longer and then remove the needle, that is the crochet hook, and insert the hook in the opposite direction and bring the working yarn, then start working into this second incomplete double crochet. So that is the second cord. That is the second cord. So you have to create 6 incomplete double crochet into this second cord. this is second incomplete double crochet, and third, it's going to be the third incomplete double crochet, and then fourth incomplete double crochet, then fifth, and then sixth. So now we have made 6 incomplete double crochet, and in total we have 8 loops here because we started with 2 loops in the beginning. Then yarn over, pull through the first loop alone, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Continue to do this until we are left with 3 loops. So now we have 3 loops. You have to yarn over and insert into the all 3 loops, thereby completing the leaf pattern. Then 2 chains, flip to the other side of the leaf and find the end of this chain, 4 chains, right? Find the end of it and insert the hook into the last chain. You have to make sure you insert beneath both strands of the chain, not just one upper or lower strand of the chain, and create a slip stitch. So I have inserted into the chain and then creating a slip stitch. So this gives a curvy shape for the leaf. So we have completed 2 leaves here, and repeat the pattern. So that is chain 4, then 2 incomplete double crochet into the previous set of 4 chains, and then chain 2. So the pattern is going to be repeated. So you can also introduce 2 different colors at this stage, instead of working with the same color, so that will give you a different look. If you want to see the tutorial for that alternative color cord, the crochet leaf cord, please comment in my comment section so that I will create a video on that. So this pattern can also be used as a leaf, just 2 leaves or 3 leaves to incorporate in any of the flower and leaf pattern. I'm gonna continue this pattern and complete 3 more leaves, which is about 6 leaves, and I'll show you how it looks like at the end of the 6th leaf. So this is how the pattern looks when you have done 6 leaves. So this is the back side of the pattern, and this is the front side. So as and when you make this pattern, the leaves will be in somewhat in different direction. You can just adjust them a little bit to align with alternative leaves. So this the bigger leaf cord I made about 13 leaves, and that is the length I have got. So this is so pretty actually. I am in love with this pattern. I'm gonna make more such colors to decorate my room. And I hope you found this video useful, and please share your comments in the comment section. Thank you.